I got Xbox Series X, and the customer damaged his console. He tried to clean his console and they damaged a socket for the disk drive. So let's see. And the customer, he already opened his console. Let's see the damage. And as you can see, guys, the port is totally damaged. I never replaced the socket port before, but let's do it. Let's open all screws. Don't forget the last screw for the power supply. And let's see the damage. It's totally damaged. I will open all these screws to work on this area. And finally, this is the board. So let's work here. I take this socket port from Xbox One. I hope it's fit. I cannot heat this area because they have a lot of plastic piece here. I will try to cut all the plastic piece and I hope this method is work. This is the first piece. Almost done. Alright, it's done. And let's clean this area and hopefully I can fix it. As you can see, the areas look like perfect. So let's see if this socket for Xbox One is fit. But unfortunately is not fit. So I will try to cut one leg and hopefully I can do something. I cut the right side and hopefully now it's look like perfect. So let's solder it. I solder all the pin and so I will clean it now. And I solder only one leg. I need to protect this connector, so I will put some solder mask. UV light, and let's wait like around 30 seconds. Now it looks like perfect. So let's check. But before I check, I need to return all the parts back. The first part is back. Let's return all the screws back. The second part is back. Let's return both ribbon cables. Disk drive. The disk drive is back and I will test it before I return the fan on all other parts. Let's turn it on. Let's insert CDs or disk. And as you can see, guys, it's reading games. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.